In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the easy anti-cheat launch error on Steam. Now what you want to do is you want to find the game where you're having trouble, right click on it, go to manage and then browse local files. In here you'll have an easy anti-cheat folder and you want to press on this one. Now you should have something called easy anti-cheat EOS set up. I'll just delete the shortcut real quick. But what you want to do is you want to right click on this and create a shortcut. In here you want to right click on the shortcut, properties, and from in here you should see something called target. Now go all the way to the right side, and after these two dots you want to press space, type in install space prod-fn, exactly like this. Press apply and OK, and then right click the shortcut and run as an administrator. This will open up a black box real quick, and after that your game should work. If this still doesn't work, what you can do is right click on the game, go to properties, installed files, and verify integrity of game files. After this, it should hopefully work. If it still doesn't, what I suggest you do is uninstall the game and uninstall easy anti-cheat and then reinstall. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.